Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is a productivity tool developed by Microsoft. Loop is intended to be a collaborative workspace where teams can organize, share, and collaborate on various types of content such as documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. So, if your company requires you to use Microsoft Loop, or you are head of a company and you want to organize your team, you can use Microsoft Loop. Well, in this video, I will show you how to start and use Microsoft Loop. Without further ado, let's head on to the tutorial. So, first, open your browser, then search for Microsoft Loop. Click the first link and you will be headed to the Microsoft Loop page. Now click Get Started with Loop. Once you click it, you will be asked to sign in. Just enter your Microsoft email, click Next, and now they will say you are on the wait list. Just don't mind this because after a few seconds, the page will reload and you will be headed to the Microsoft Loop page. And now you have your Loop workspace. You can start by creating pages for your team like announcements, creating articles, or making organization charts, making columns, this and that. You can also change the name of the pages here. And when you click members, this prompt will appear. This will allow you to invite your teammates using their emails. Make sure that they also have a Microsoft account for them to access your Microsoft Loop workspace. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.